Hello, you guys! Today we are going to make the most delicious handmade ice cream ever with just 3 ingredients. I'm sure you're gonna love it. In a bowl, add 800 ml of chantilly cream. I followed the box recipe to prepare it. With a whip, whisk the chantilly cream until it reaches the perfect texture. Write in the comments below where you're watching us from, so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. Our chantilly doubled its size. This is how we want it to be. Now, let's add 150 grams of chocolate powder, 50% dark. Mix the chocolate and the chantilly carefully. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then share the video with your friends and comment below, "I love ice cream." Now add 300 grams of condensed milk. And it's only 3 ingredients. See how easy this recipe is? Mix the condensed milk carefully. Try this recipe at home. It only takes a few ingredients and it's a great dessert. I'm sure your family's gonna love it. After mixing everything carefully, transfer the ice cream into a glass baking pan. Spread it across the surface. Then leave it in the fridge for 4 hours. And our recipe is done! Look how mouth-watering creamy our ice cream is. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm going to reply to your comments. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!